Are you struggling with stubborn, itchy bumps on your skin? Has folliculitis been making you uncomfortable and self-conscious? What if we told you that the remedy could be right in your home? Folliculitis, an inflammation of hair follicles, can be a real nuisance, but fear not. We're going to explore 15 effective home treatments for folliculitis, plus a bonus that will leave you amazed. So buckle up and get ready to say goodbye to those pesky skin irritations. 1. Warm compress. Remember those comforting warm compresses your mom would apply on a bruise or swelling? They can work wonders on folliculitis as well. The heat helps to reduce inflammation and discomfort, while also promoting circulation and healing. Grab a clean cloth, soak it in warm water, and apply to the affected area for relief. 2. Over-the-counter creams and ointments. Many drugstores carry creams and ointments that can effectively treat folliculitis. Look for products containing benzoyl peroxide or mupirocin. They help kill the bacteria causing the inflammation. Always remember to follow the instructions on the package for the best results. 3. White vinegar. The kitchen staple, white vinegar, has natural antiseptic properties that can help combat folliculitis. Dilute it with water. Soak a clean cloth in the solution and apply it to the affected areas. It helps reduce inflammation and kills the bacteria causing the infection. 4. Tea tree oil. Derived from the leaves of Melaleuca alternifolia, tea tree oil is known for its potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Mixing a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and applying to the affected area can help soothe irritation and combat infection. 5. Turmeric. A common spice in many kitchens, turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. A paste made with turmeric and water can be applied to the inflamed areas to help reduce inflammation and promote healing. 6. Neem leaves. Neem leaves, known for their antimicrobial properties, can be used to treat folliculitis. A paste made from crushed neem leaves and water can be applied to the affected area to help combat the infection. 7. Coconut oil. The lauric acid in coconut oil gives it antimicrobial properties that can help treat folliculitis. It also moisturizes and soothes the skin, reducing itching and discomfort. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, with its cooling and soothing properties, can provide relief from the itching and inflammation caused by folliculitis. It also contains polysaccharides that stimulate skin growth and repair, helping to heal the affected areas. 9. Garlic. Known for its potent antibacterial properties, garlic can help fight the bacteria causing folliculitis. Applying a paste of crushed garlic on the affected areas can aid in reducing inflammation and promoting healing. 10. Oatmeal. An oatmeal bath can be a soothing treatment for the itchy and uncomfortable symptoms of folliculitis. The compounds in oatmeal have anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties, providing relief and promoting skin health. 11. Honey. Honey, particularly raw or manuka honey, has antibacterial properties that can help treat folliculitis. It also soothes the skin and reduces inflammation, helping to alleviate discomfort. 12. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is a natural astringent that can help to soothe irritated skin and reduce inflammation. Applying it to the affected areas can help to alleviate the symptoms of folliculitis. 13. Epsom salt. Epsom salt baths are not just relaxing, they can also help treat folliculitis. The magnesium in the Epsom salt helps reduce inflammation and draw out toxins, aiding in healing. 14. Over-the-counter hydrocortisone cream. Over-the-counter hydrocortisone creams can help to reduce inflammation and itching caused by folliculitis. While these creams don't kill bacteria, they can provide some relief from symptoms. 15. Good hygiene practices. Good hygiene practices, like keeping the affected area clean and dry, avoiding tight clothing, and not sharing towels or other personal items, can help prevent the spread and worsening of folliculitis. 16. A healthy diet. Did you know your diet can also impact your skin health? Consuming a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats can strengthen your immune system and improve your body's ability to fight infections, including folliculitis. Potential drawbacks. While these home remedies can be effective in managing folliculitis, they may not work for everyone or for more severe cases. Some people might experience skin irritation or allergic reactions to certain remedies. Always do a patch test before applying anything new to your skin. If your symptoms persist or worsen despite trying these remedies, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. And there you have it, 15 home treatments for folliculitis, plus a bonus that could really make a difference. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Be patient and don't be afraid to try different approaches to see what works best for you. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so please leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.